Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I got another Bank of America credit card I want to talk to you guys about. So for those people that's getting approved for Bank of America credit cards, then maybe you kind of want to slow down to see if there's other credit cards you may want to get. Now, congratulations to those people. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I always talk about real estate. I always talk about credit. And I always talk about ways for you guys to get credit cards or how you guys can increase your credit score. And if you guys haven't heard already, I have my webinar coming up where I'm going to teach you guys, it's free, how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely make sure you guys come. It's a live event. It's multiple live events. So make sure you guys look down below in the comments. I have that link available for you guys. Definitely check it out. Now, this is a credit card that I really want you guys to look into if you have a higher credit score. If your credit score is not higher, like, don't bother. I don't really want to lie to you guys. They cannot pre-qualify you for this credit card. They can pre-qualify you. I would say try it, but they cannot pre-qualify you. So I want you guys to understand you should have a credit score over a 720 and then try to apply for it, if not even higher than that. Now, I really like this credit card compared to other credit cards, the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card. I like this a little bit more than some of the other credit cards because they actually offer a bonus. They also offer cash back on your purchases, unlimited cash back, and then they also offer a 0% intro APR. And we're going to go over all of that now. Now, with a lot of the Bank of America credit cards, you guys have seen a bonus before. A lot of credit cards, they offer a bonus, but they offer you a $200 bonus. I always want you guys to check the website because a lot of times they're going to tell you how much money you have to spend for that bonus. So you have to make sure you spend at least $200 to get them, well, you have to spend at least $1,000 to get that $200 bonus, and you have to make sure you spend that within the first 90 days of opening your account. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure that you're actually hitting that $1,000 within the first 90 days to get that $200. Now, some credit cards, people like Rickita, I don't care, about certain features, but if they have a bonus, you guys, on a credit card, that's one thing you should always try to hit because sometimes your cash back can't even hit those bonuses. That's just like icing on the cake. A lot of times you want to apply for a credit card because they do have the bonus, like, oh, this credit card offers a bonus, they offer 0% initial APR. Why wouldn't I do it? Those are ways you guys can save money, and you guys can also get money too and get rewards. So if they have that bonus, make sure you guys are spending whatever you have to spend to actually hit that bonus. Like, it's going to be very important that you guys do that. Now, theirs is $1,000 within 90 days, so make sure you guys are hitting it. Now, you guys do not have an annual fee at all with this credit card, which is really good. I really want you guys to try to make sure that you find credit cards that don't have an annual fee because this is my target audience. My target audience, you guys are most likely learning about credit. You finally got higher limit credit cards, and now you're trying to get this credit card. And I would want you guys to not have credit cards with the annual fee because a lot of times you guys don't have a lot of income coming in. Some people are on fixed income, low income, so don't try to get a credit card with an annual fee because you're messing up, especially for those people that's watching this because you're being nosy and you have a very low credit score. You probably can't get this one. Even those credit cards that you get to try to build up, do not get one with annual fee if you can help it, because you're going to see that you want to have credit cards without the annual fee because you're going to be saving a lot of money by doing that. Now, I really like that they have the 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases and then there's no limit to this cash back. I know I talked to you guys about certain credit cards, and sometimes they'll say, hey, you guys can get a certain amount of cash back. Matter of fact, I can give you an example. Like with the Discover credit card, they'll give you cash back on that credit card, but a lot of times it's for a certain amount within a quarter. So it's not totally unlimited. If you get totally unlimited cash back, it's going to most likely be 1%, and that's it. And theirs is 1.5%. So this is one of those credit cards where your base is higher than a lot of the other credit cards. You get the 1.5% is better than the 1% you get on some of your other credit cards. So this is kind of going to be one of them credit cards. It's like your credit card you're going to use every day if you have no choice, because you can still get that 1.5% cash back. But everybody's situation is different, but keep that in mind. Now, with this credit card, you guys, you have to look here, because this is a thing that I really like. You guys are going to have that 0% intro APR, and that's going to be for the first 18 billing cycles for purchases and for balance transfers. So if you guys have a high balance on another credit card, then you may want to look into getting that transfer over to this credit card. That's because you guys have that 0% intro APR for those balance transfers. Now, that's going to be, you got to make sure you do that within the first 60 days of opening your account. So that's something you got, you have to keep in mind. And they are going to charge you a 3% fee. So they're going to charge you a 3% fee, but that's not going to be bad when you think about the point that you're doing a balance transfer. And balance transfer basically means that you probably got $6,000, $8,000, or whatever you got on another credit card. You're getting charged interest on it, and interest is really high right now. You're getting interest on it, you're getting charged interest on that credit card, but instead of getting charged interest on that credit card, you want to get that moved over to your new $10,000 credit card. So the $6,000, $8,000, you want to get that balance moved over to your new credit card. Say if it's this credit card, and then they're going to charge you 0% interest for 18 billing cycles. And with that 18 billing cycles, you guys, if you guys do not pay off your balance before the 18 billing cycles is up, you definitely call them, figure out that exact date. They're going to backdate it. They're going to start charging you interest from when you first start using a credit card, when you first did that balance transfer. And I don't want that to happen to you guys. So if you do transfer a balance, make sure you have a plan on having it paid off. Even if you was to divide those payments up and say, okay, I'm just going to pay $300 a month to get this paid off. Whatever you have to do, you do that, but do not do a balance transfer and don't have a complete plan, because that can backfire on you, and then they could charge you interest for it, and you could possibly go over a limit on your credit card if you spend too much on that credit card, and it's going to put you in debt. And I don't want you guys to be in debt, so keep that in mind. But definitely do that balance transfer if you can, and enjoy that 0% intro APR on your purchases. Maybe you want to put a big purchase on this credit card. That can be something that you guys can definitely look into. But there's a lot of different credit cards that Bank of America do offer you all. Definitely check out their website. This is a little bit more about their credit cards. The contactless payment, a lot of credit cards have that, paperless statements, digital wallet technology. I like that. You can put it on your Apple Pay, your Google Pay, your Samsung Pay. I really like that you can do that. You have the online banking, which is really great. And then you guys will have access to your FICO credit score monthly for free. So you guys will be able to see that in your mobile banking app and in your online banking. So that's really good. If you ever have any questions, make sure you guys give them a call, and you can easily apply for this credit card. Down below, I have a link to my blog where you guys can apply for this credit card. Now, don't forget, you guys, I have my way of where I'm going to teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. Make sure you guys join. This is something I know is going to really help a lot of people. And if you guys ever took some of my tips and increased your credit score, definitely make sure you let me know in the comments if this has ever happened, where yes, you got approved for a credit card, maybe you increase your credit score. Whatever happened, make sure you leave those comments down below. That helps others, see that yes, it can possibly happen for them also. But I'll see you guys at my live event. Make sure you guys use the link down below, and then I'll email you dates to my next live events. But I'll see you guys in the next video.